Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with another fun unboxing. I swear it's like Christmas every day. Baby's sitting here watching over me, making sure I don't mess anything up. Very nice box. Oh, look at this. This is one that I just getting from Jolly Life. And they've even put the picture of this cute little pink bowed skull on the end of the box. That's the first time I've seen that. That's cute. This came from Amazon. Wow. Wow. This is cute. Okay. So it's an adorable little 30 by 30. There's the thumbnail for you. And I'll put the picture up. I thought this was so cute. And not only have we gotten the nice tools, it's a green boat with the open end, a squishy pen grip, tweezers, a nice chunk of wax, a double-sided pen with a single and a 6-placer. No bags, which is wonderful because I don't need any more bags. Oh, sorry. I keep hitting this cord. I gotta do something about that. They also sent this cute little organizer tray. How adorable is that? And it has space for 12 colors. And I don't know if you can see that, but they're all numbered 1 through 12. That is just adorable with this cute little bag with the pink flowers on the end. That makes me happy. That's the first time I've ever gotten a little organizer with my diamond painting. The lady who runs Jolly Life is in our Facebook group. I see her a lot on Facebook in different groups, and she's on my friend list. She's very sweet lady, and she does wonderful giveaways and things, so it's nice to see someone like that. Okay, here is the skull. Hoping you can see that. I need one of those like light rings or something. There are the symbols, if it can ever focus in on them. Let's see. Okay, this is again a 30 by 30 full drill square. The symbols are very clear. And even though this is small, I think the shading, there's like some shading, and it really looks nice. I think it's going to be a cute little thing. You know, I love going big to get the detail, but sometimes you just want a small project to do. They can't all be huge. This is really cute. Look at that little bow. Isn't that adorable? And it's big enough at 30 by 30 that there's shading. It's not just all pixelated or anything like that. Very cute, very nice. The tools are excellent. The free gift is excellent. The price was good. And it came from Amazon, so it came from the US, so the shipping was super fast. And if you're a Prime member, you can get it even faster. So, let's see. Here is the inventory sheet. I love that even for a 30 by 30, you get an inventory sheet. Some companies don't do that for you. I also really love, I think I've said this in the last Jolly Life, that there is an English translation and directions here that makes sense. It's really good. And I know that Lou has asked me a few times to help with translating things. She really cares about getting the translation right. So this is called Skeleton Flower. And I'm going to do a little inventory here. So we'll just zip through. Everything's here, no problems. I thought for a second I had a little issue, but I don't. And thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please hit like. Feel free to comment. I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified of my videos. And come join our Facebook group. We're having a lot of fun in there. And you guys get notified first. I post in my own Facebook group first before I post anywhere else. Even if it's only by a minute. But thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And you have a great day. Have fun diamond painting. Have your leash on, have your coat on, you're wrapped up in it too. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. She's so worried she's gonna be left.